We'll guide you through how to download and install Roblox Studio. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. As you probably know, Roblox Studio is how you can make Roblox games. So first of all, you can just come to the Roblox site like this. Now what you need to do is go and head to the top and go and click on Create. Now you can go to the top, hover over Learn, and you want to go and click on Engine. Come over to the left here and you want to go and select Roblox Studio. Then you want to go and select Studio Setup. Now you can scroll down and you can go and see the system requirements. Make sure you go and meet them. And what you can then do is scroll down and we can see the option Download Studio. So what we can do is go and click there and it's going to go and say checking for Roblox Studio. And what I can then do is go and click on Download Studio. It says it wants to open up the application. You can click open up Roblox there and it may then go and start installing it. Otherwise, you need to click on Download Studio and you'll then go and get the installer. And you can find that in your downloads. So you can go and open your file explorer up, come here and go and find it and you can run it there. But in my case, it's already installing. It'll then say starting and it should go and load like so. What you can then do is go and log in via your browser or via your studio. After you successfully logged in, you can come over to the left and go and get started. Please consider subscribing and liking the video.